Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign in to your Google account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to google.com. If you had previously signed in to any of your Google account, your profile will be shown on the top right hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on the profile and click on Manage Your Accounts. So if you want to click on Manage Your Account and see your account details, you can do that. But else, if you want to sign in into your another account, just go ahead and click on your profile and click on Show More Accounts. Now you can see all of your accounts. If you had previously signed in, you can just go ahead and click on any of the mails you want, and with a single click of your mouse you will be signed into your account. If in case you want to sign in into another account which you have not registered over here, just go ahead and click on Show More Account, or scroll all the way down and find Add Another Account option. Go ahead and click on Add Another Account, and the next thing you want to do is click on Use Another Account option, or else there are some accounts which you had previously logged in. You can easily sign into them, or else if you want to sign into another account, click on Use Another Account. Write down your email address or phone number, then click Next. After click Next, what you need to do is write down the password to your account. Then you can click Next again, and there you go. This is how easy it is to sign in to your Google account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.